by Baker's Fresh. Love the taste.
Hey, everybody, welcome to our Smiling Show. We say Bulabnaka to all our listeners and friends
Right.
all over the country tuning in this morning and watching this live show. Kirubana tuning in Batikala no and Budi Toka and Mataka de Darubnaka Viti, and Rubnaka became the Turana Maramadur Leo, became the Rangone, and the Keresa Tubalitu, the people know so, Moni and Marutaki and the Sereginibuli,
Don
and
Vinaka.
Ngono Sarango, and to all the teachers who are looking forward to na serekile bunibuli.
Right.
And ngono baba da dona ngono marta ki vini na gasili busi.
Vakandua. Tamani ngono maro ta kintina me bakanyo ni dona ba kito to kono mu ta tu sa gamitara tu no mu live, eh? Live. Maternity leave and what's this? Bereavement leave. Shopping leave.
Shopping leave. Hey, ako mo na Ni ana ni matabi na kan matabi. Pero na kabikim ni lubi bitin sa mga bese burbura na
Right.
Ano na kabe eseta kumbu kalusesi.
Yeah.
Meli na dali na turang ni tablets at Thursday as well to you. And matabi di gram ni kuwa bikim ni na lubi bitin sa masal sumbe yawa. And via se burbura.
Yes.
Na sa masal sumbe India.
Right.
Me
Wir talanga ng ulit ko mga buli.
Right.
Because a lot of good education system there, eh?
Yeah. Na tutok mo tilbi to kanina matang di
Right.
ko. Rugby players kikibri nang galu tubangande. Dingi na grabe na daka na vi to kanina bugni na kaya matang di ko. We say good morning.
Yes.
Kinabubale they bis o betul to sama cuma nasa suara and matak ni baka tambe singa niko. Iyo. Bis per kauta ke na mata bubale. Ar na tubuna o di binar bito kani and Pompey plays Phil 40 lo toka and mataka binaka ndai.
Eh bayan talanga ni good morning to to go to work.
Ano na tamay sa toka ni ball? LM69 Northern Osori
Right.
and mataka binaka go to all the passengers
Right.
of LM69. Okay. Eleno na
Yes.
murai. Abira na tangane to all the fathers that would drink ngona.
Okay, to all the fathers who drink and gone. Okay, it's okay if no they limit their drinking grog like
The drinking limit.
their drinking limit.
Yeah.
Only weekends, eh? Like they drink only on the weekends. So if there's a special function,
Yeah.
if they drink grog every day, then there's something wrong somewhere.
Okay, what okay, how about if the tata asked the nana and the nana said yes? Okay, ni samaranta ko nana o tata o nana na thunrutunga sesenga.
No.
Even though nana said yes.
Yes, just go. You know, it's relaxing for us too, eh? It's also good for us because we relax.
Okay, when tata comes back from
Yes.
drinking grog,
Yes.
okay, ocha sangay tango papa. Is it proper for daddy or for ta
Yes.
to attend to papa ni doktu na ngona but ni tulingana se meandro nana.
No. Otherwise, daddy will drop the baby.
Right?
Yeah.
Kaya sa doon nga may karawon na.
Yeah.
Even though now
Because Nana is like everything is okay.
Yeah.
Daddy, when he comes back,
Yeah.
is not 100% okay.
Right.
He is, I think, 30%.
30%
Yeah.
Ako ay doon mo tuito niyo ko.
Woohoo!
Sini matukan na
Ito may tay.
Magano binaka bito ka na mataka day. Na wali usar bito ka na mataka binaka ni kuha. Ka mo bibi ke bino ka sa mo bibo librar na ba na mataka binaka ni kuha. Yeah. Bata mo ira nang gasi to the old gang
Yes.
So no tutu sa don besta ka mela kombu. Tutu doesn't want Bumbu to go to her village.
Oh.
What may be the problem? What's the problem there?
You know, as they grow older,
Yeah.
they are like, like jealousy, eh?
Yeah.
Maybe some XYZ back in the village that Tutu suspecting.
Yeah! Ako lang ni Rusia na buru-buru. Okay.
And plus, Tutu things like, it's that age, Bumbu will go and will never come back.
Right.
Maybe Tutu always mistreat Bumbu. Eh? Bumbu will go and take a leave. And won't leave.
Sa kindo tutu
Kinda?
So that's why tutu is kindering. That's why he doesn't want Bumbu to go to
Yes, don't go. You stay here, look after me. Till death do us part.
Okay, don't tell me. Don't mabuli chicken na yellow.
Okay.
Because sometimes Bumbu, there's all the children at home.
Yes.
There should be one bakame nona pet chiko.
Yes.
Tado muku mabi tutu and nona pet ombu.
Right.
Dole mbula be tutu.
Right.
Do you think that's okay? And aburi be susu berto ibale?
No.
But there are other kids there.
That is not okay.
Iyo.
Kuniloma na pet.
Right.
Because that way your pet will think, or the children will think, oh, so what I'm doing is okay. Mbumbu is wrong. Tutu is right.
Right.
That's what the children will think.
Yeah.
So kaya kaindu mo kung kaindu lomana and confused. The kids will get confused.
Right.
Right.
I don't
Right.
know. Okay, what's your name? Taru taru matadi ko helano.
Okay.
Go veke mamina tangane.
Mm-hmm.
Do you think all the tatas should spend 5 hours on their phone?
Oh,
In the
no.
morning before going to the Vita Vioca?
No.
Why?
5 hours is a lot of time.
Right.
That 5 hours, fathers can do much more. Can help with mommy, attending to the children before going outside to the...
village. Nikana.
Yeah. No, daddy go and scrub.
The time limit for all the tata to spend their time on the phone.
Oh, if I'm, yeah, because they want to find a lot of how to plan
So
this.
how long?
Only 30 minutes.
Why 30 minutes, Eleanor? They've got plenty of things to check in the phone.
No, only 30 minutes go and do your job before the sun comes.
If there's only one phone,
Okay.
should Tata take the phone to the Vita Vioca or leave it alone?
No, Tata will not do his job in the Vita Vioca and will watch movie. Yes. Danda mo nga Sir Lalo and create a fake account and message everyone. Add friend to everyone. Yes, because many tata go to the Vita Vioca. Like they want to guys the work at home. They say, okay, I'm going with a knife and everything, the fork. I'm going to the farm. But that is only the excuse. The guys sing.
Yes. All of you Maramatinas.
Yes.
Please, if you have one phone at home, give it to Tata to take it to the Vita Vioca.
Don't. Hear me. All the women. Never give the phone to the daddy. You keep the phone at home. Find recipes.
Hey, benar malam salam itu kan dia nama tak dikuat nanda out malang show. Selei.
Andi kuila tirau yang rabinaka sa mati ko mana siti ni suka kami de lotoka. Amelia sili manambure. May lotoka talangan. To yan rabinaka may na Egyptian South Camp. Arto sembol miki ng gocha sa bata kalunibon. Yan rabinaka. Do yan rabinaka. Jay Smiley, Rosie Hats Lambasa Brancho, Egyo Lote na levo na dhabe na numitianyo Betty Ulibiti. Nawalevo ng dopa tapos may natobi Sara. And VT Ambulance, tan reba ni VT Ambulance, role pig may natobi na matakan ni Kuan Rombula Vinaka. Aminyo ang ganiudi. Rosi ni matukon Rombula Vinaka kede. Right.
Benar-benar besar kita kan lemai kilo sana kita toki ada biar kanigo.
Don Vinaka.
Kalau matak maru itu bulan kau kurun.
El Natomoni.
Ode.